Hello and welcome to today's Technical Corner. I'm joined by David from ZCC Cutting Tools, who are actually one of the UK's best kept secrets, aren't you, David? So if you can tell us a little bit about the company and what products you offer and why an engineer should, talk to ZCC.
Okay, so ZCC Cutting Tools, we're a relatively new business in the UK, the last 5 years, and we're a supplier of all cutting tool products from solid carbide, end mills, drills, to indexable product like you see in front of us today.
Okay, and you say obviously you're relatively small still in the UK, but what are you globally?
We're a multi-billion dollar business. ZCC Cutting Tools is a member of the Minmetal Corporation. Minmetals are a mining and metal corporation of China who own 87% of the world's resource of carbide stocks.
87?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So why cutting tools? Obviously, if you've got all the value in the raw product, why did they need to get involved in cutting tools?
It's a long-standing partnership that was set up in 1956 to develop the cutting tool market and become a single source, everything in our hands, from mining to sharp end. Makes sense.
Absolutely. Yeah. So in terms of, are there any other brands that offer raw materials to finished product?
The businesses out there, obviously they've got access to the mines, but then that becomes third party. We're the only truly single source mining to sharp end, which is great for us because we come to market with a very cost effective quality product.
Yeah, so let's talk about quality first. So, how good are your products? Obviously they look the part, but when we apply these in some more challenging materials, how do they perform?
It's an high quality product. All our product, whether it's the cutting bodies or the inserts, are controlled under all the relevant quality assurances, ISO standards, etc., environmental standards, and it's an high-end quality product. We come into market at the top end of cutting tools industry, so difficult materials, challenging environments. We got the tools to work in them conditions.
So you're a single source supplier, but commercially, how is that as an advantage? Because presumably they're all separate companies, so there's still accumulative margins within those companies. But when you finish product, does yours become cheaper than everybody else's? Yeah,
definitely. There's obviously added cost because you've got to buy from the parent company, etc. But everybody has to. So we just taking them layers of supply from the supply chain, so we can solely single source through our businesses to market. That allows us to come to market with a top end quality product at a very cost effective price.
Okay, and what is your strategy here in the UK? Okay, grow obviously, but how are you going to do that?
We introduced the product into the market in 2011. There was a lot of hard promotional work in the background. We were under the radar, so to speak. And since 2016, we've really grown the business into a multi-million pound business in the UK. Purely, first and foremost, through distribution. We got low access to the product. We got strategic partners, which gives them confidence, and they've given confidence to grow at great profitability year on year by protecting them.
What's coming next?
Coming next is the same strategy for the next 3 years. We've got a 3, a 5 and a 10-year plan. The plan was after 5 years to have a UK business, because currently we ZCC Cutting Tools Europe. That has been brought forward due to the success we've had in the UK to date. So we made a plan, and the next part of the development is to a feasibility study into setting up a UK arm of ZCC Cutting Tools. So
things are going well. Just to conclude, all these engineers watching, there's a lot of choice in the UK market, as you know. Why are they going to use your products?
Well, if customers are looking for, potential customers looking for an high-end quality product, and they're looking for cost downs, not just in the cost of the tooling, because we don't want to be marketing as a cheaper brand. We are engineers, all the staff are engineers, and we are engineering processes. First and foremost, the product is competing against all the majors on performance, and then we engineering the solutions, which has given us a production benefit, but also then the secondary bonus is the cost down in tooling cost.
Sure, you mentioned that engineers is something we haven't touched on. That's key, isn't it?
Yes.
Any of us can go online and we can buy products, and sometimes they're cheaper to buy online, let's be honest, but you're not getting that boots on ground, you're not getting that, you know, where the real true value is as engineers.
Of course, yeah, we've noticed as engineers ourselves, there's a skill shortage in the UK, and business want more added value. They don't want salesmen with promotions and catalogues. They want technical engineers to help them with their the daily costs of their business. It's a ever increasing competitive market. Everybody needs to cut costs. The biggest cost you can make is engineering their processes. The cost of the tooling is a secondary bonus.
Thank you, David. So to get in touch with David and ZCC, we'll put the details on the screen, but I suggest you do so, and thanks for watching.